Hello everyone, this is my first look screencast, and for my two websites I chose california.gov and georgia.gov. Starting off with California, the content on here is it's news articles. So if you go down here, there's a bunch of trending news via social media and Twitter. But also there's product information. So basically they're giving you their products, California, and they're trying to sell you on visiting and possibly moving there. So as for terms, I believe the terms are popular. They're very basic, they're easy to navigate for both residents, tourists, or just people looking to find information. I would say it's more for tourists rather than residents because, there's visiting tabs, living, and such. As for the navigation, I think that it's pretty deep. If you search, let's search food. Google comes up. And you get 600,000 results, all different websites. You could go to Google and search, or you can search it on here, go to their services and their agencies. As for narrowing the search, they could have done a better job at that. You could do it alphabetically, but other than that, it's pretty a deep search. Now, the sitemap is a lot. There's a lot of links here throughout. I would say it's overarching. There's lots of options. Overall, I think the website's pretty orderly. It looks it looks neat. I like that how it's set up. I think there's a right amount of organization systems and categories for, different types of people. The settings tab here, you can alter to help different skill level people. High contrast, increase font size, decrease font size, or dyslexic font, which I thought was pretty cool. And then as for Georgia, right off the bat, Georgia, pretty bland. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4 links at the top, which you could definitely have more. As for the content, there's articles, announcements. There's more like news articles. And there's just like product information about Georgia. If you go to like services, apply for Medicaid, apply for SNAP, or how-to guides. Basically for residents more than people touring Georgia. As for the terms, I would say they're popular. As for on the homepage, it does says top access services, but also more technical as a pure elected officials, how-to guide services. But overall, the navigation, shallow. I would say it's very shallow. There's not enough links here. Let's see. Let's search for food on here. And here they have, you can facet it by the site name, by the type, by the date, and you can sort by relevance or date. It comes, let's see, you have topic, press release, FAQ, which I think they could narrow that down more and have more options here to where you can just pick topic, or if you wanted just a document. Sitemap, let's see, go all the way down here. Very bland, only 4 options. I think they could have more with that. Overall, I think that the website's a bit confusing. They could definitely have more organization on it. Like search bar. And at the bottom, it'll have accessibility, which shows that they designed it to with people for disabilities by easy and logical navigation, keyboard accessibility, legible fonts, and high contrast colors for easy readability. But overall, I think California's website is way more just overall a better, more organized website with more options than Georgia. Thank you.